Hi guys, just thought I'd do this short video just to show you what I've been up to. I've been fitting a new kitchen and I would like to start a new area on home automation. I've been buying a range of items to add to the kitchen, like the Echo Show, Logitech, remote controllers, a few bits and pieces. I'll go through them with you and hopefully we'll learn a few things together. As you can see, the SCI kitchen's a little bit bare at the moment. I'm pulling this kitchen out and I'm fitting a new one. There's my 3D printer, and I've been fitting some new cabinets in the kitchen. I've got some new lighting to go in, and I would like to integrate a little bit of home automation into my new kitchen. Anyway, this is what we've got so far. I'm going to start with the Nest thermostat. That's still boxed, so I'll be doing an unboxing video and possibly an installation video with you. These are the Sonoff light switches. That's them there. I've got two already installed and they work quite well, and I'll show you them working in one of my videos. As you can see, I've got the Echo Dots here. There's a couple, and I've also printed on the 3D printer a case so it can be ceiling mounted or wall mounted. I'm going to be doing an Echo Show unboxing. That's the new Echo Show. This will be for the kitchen. Hopefully it'll aid the cooking skills, show some menus, bits and pieces like that. And I've also got quite a few of these Sonoff devices, which is basically a wireless smart switch. And as you can see, there's a few of them. I've already got some installed as well. And I ordered this by mistake. This is a Sonoff POW. It's a power mounting 16 amps type of switch. I think it possibly could have a humidity socket on it, but I haven't checked inside. But I'm also going to be going into that there. Also have a couple of the Logitech Harmony Ultimates. That's one there. And this can control your TV and your media systems via the Harmony Hub. And Lady A will actually control it. I have a video I can put on to show you of the TV being switched on and off. And as you can see, I've got one of the dots connected. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:14 p.m.
Okay, I'm sorry about that if you've actually got one of your Lady A's nearby and it's set off, but I couldn't resist it. Anyway, that's all the bits of gear I've got, and I will be going through it all. And hopefully we can share the experience of installation, and be nice to get some feedback from yourselves about your own home automation. But at this moment in time, I've got a kitchen to fit, and hopefully once it's all installed, I'll be able to get some lights put in, which will be voice activated, and we'll speak to you all soon. Thanks for watching.